Dow Jones and NASDAQ both have seen a little drop with the PPI data coming in just slightly just slightly higher than the expectation, and that is what has caused this pullback or a drop here. Now, what to expect with the US session for NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Now, see, Tech 100 this time has breached the support levels here, rise retracement here, and after the retracement it is since then now trading in this bearish channel. 15,000 is a very good support. It is not only a psychological support but also the levels which the derivative traders are watching for. Now if you look if you connect the dots here, you will find it is trading in this channel here. The support lines are now see lower lows are getting created which have, with every drop, and now it appears 15,000 could be one of the lower levels here. Below 15,000 we are looking at 14,970, 14,940 and 14,900 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards here, trying to stay bearish here. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, increasingly bearish candles here. Flat top at 15,200, definitely a great resistance. With that we can see it is trying to trade with bearish bias. If it stays below 15,000 in the next candle, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now here on the 3-hour charts as well, increasing bearishness certainly till 15,130 levels. I will not recommend you to buy, only buy entries above 15,130, where you can expect 160, 170 and then 200. Only about 200 you can expect it to rise. Now see what it has done. It has almost achieved the bottom. Possibility for it to achieve the highs also exists, but let's see, let's watch out if it continues with the upward move here, because this is the second red candle here. Third can also form, but see, if you count this and discount this one green candle, 3 candles are done, and hence you have to be watchful here till 15,000 levels. Stochastic divergent bearish, MACD divergent and bearish, stochastic at bottom and RSI looking downwards here, suggestive of bearishness, and same thing is on the 4-hour chart. If you look at the stochastic here is down, the MACD is also at bottom and RSI is also almost at bottom here. Now coming to the daily, see on the daily charts you can see previous was a swing candle here. With that swing candle, this time it has given a breach. It has breached the lows of the previous two supporting candles, and then now it has come till towards the next important support, which is close to 15,000, 14,970. Now this is going to be a very good support levels. Only below 14,970 further bearishness is going to prevail. Till 14,970 we can expect a pullback. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here only at 15,000 levels. In fact, it can try to touch 15,000 for once before looking for further bearishness. At the same time, a buying entry can be taken at 15,130, but with caution that 15,170 first target and 15,200 then. 15,200 is the only level above which the bulls will take over. Till 15,200 there is no bullishness. Beyond 15,200 it is not going to stop. It may try to attempt and achieve, in fact, 15,300 as well. Now look forward to Dow Jones. If you look at US30, likewise US30 has given a breakout with this preceding candle. It has traded outside Bollinger Bands, trying to show a pullback. Only buying entries above 35,200. Till 35,200 it is not into a buying zone. Yes, about 35,200 is where little more bullishness can be expected. Specifically, I will wait for the zone here at 35,230 to be breached. Then definitely one can expect that 35,300 and 400 are the next target. Though it is still trading bearish, chances for it to break beyond 35,300 is less. However, these are markets. The stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. It has seen good bearishness here, and hence possibly greener candles can be expected. RSI at bottom trying to rise. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Now see, yesterday when the CPI data was supportive of the rise, it did rose, but then erased the gains. Now today possibly it is of more bearishness. However, it can possibly erase the drops and can recover completely. These are markets, anything is possible. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts as well, 35,200, 220 or 230 zone is where maximum resistance lies. Only and only if it stays above this zone, you should expect it to rise more. Stochastic rising from the bottom, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is looking downwards here, suggestive of the drop. And likewise on the 4-hour charts, increasing bearishness, increasing body size, suggestive of that once it stays below this zone. See, this is a very critical zone here for US30. Between 35,100 and 35,000 levels. Only below 35,000 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. On the daily charts, if likewise on the daily charts, the lower lows are done. Now possibility of a recovery is there. However, it has to stay above 35,200. Also, if you look at the previous seeding, three candles were beautifully aligned. Now it has breached the support line. It has now come till towards 35,100. So this zone here at 35,100, 35,000 levels is very, very important. You can initiate a sell entry at 35,050. Expect 35,000 levels, only 50 points, but it is safer entry. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also looking downwards here. Considering this, buying entry only I will recommend is at 35,220 and a selling entry is far below at 35,050 levels. In between this 170 points, I will not recommend you to trade. Let's observe, let's watch, because see, today is also weekend. This is also weekly options expiry. It can show you swings and hence you have to remain cautious and alert. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.